say good in Italian. While knowing how to say good in Italian can be incredibly useful in countless situations, whether describing an amazing meal, nailing the perfect compliment, or discussing values. However, there isn't just one word for this. Italians use different words depending on the context and nuance. In this lesson, I'll break down 5 ways to say good in Italian, so your Italian is as buono or good as it gets. There will be lots of real-world examples too, so you'll know exactly how and when to use each one. And don't worry about taking notes, I've done all of the hard work for you. To help you to practice what you're about to learn here today, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet with all the vocabulary and examples from this lesson. Just click on the link in the description box below this video. Pronti? Are you ready? Iniziamo! Let's get started. Now in Italian, the word good can be translated in different ways, depending on its grammatical role. It can be an adjective, an adverb, or even a noun. Take a look at these examples.
Questa frittata è molto buona.
This omelette is very good. Here, buona is an adjective that describes the quality of the frittata, or an omelette.
Elisa gioca bene a tennis.
Elisa plays tennis well. Here, bene is an adverb describing how good she is at this sport.
Fai emergere il buono che è in te.
Bring out the good that is in you. Here, buono is a noun representing a quality. See how many different forms good can take on in Italian? Now this can feel a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're just starting to learn Italian, but understanding the different contexts in which these words are used will greatly enhance your comprehension and fluency. Okay, let's take a look at the top 5 ways to say good in Italian. Now we're about to explore the most common ways to express the concept of good in Italian, with lots of examples to help you understand its usage much better. Let's dive in, shall we? The first one is
Buono.
Now, buono in Italian is an adjective used to describe the quality of just about anything in Italian. People, places, things, or even abstract concepts. As an adjective, it adjusts its ending based on the gender and number of the noun it refers to. Take a look at these examples. Now, to describe how delicious flavors and smells are, you can say,
Questa è buona, assaggiala.
This is good, try it.
Questa torta ha un profumo davvero buono.
This cake has a really good smell. To express positive attributes about someone or something, you can say,
È una buona macchina, dovresti farci un pensierino.
It's a good car, you should consider it.
Silvia è una persona di animo buono e gentile.
Sylvia is a kind and good-hearted person. You can use it to talk about usefulness or effectiveness of something. For example,
Queste pillole sono molto buone per il tuo mal di stomaco.
these pills are very good for your stomach ache.
Conosci dei buoni rimedi per eliminare la muffa in casa?
Do you know any good remedies to eliminate mold in the house? Now the position of buono in a sentence can change its meaning. Take a look.
Erika è una buona studentessa.
Erica is a good student. Here, buona means she's clever. However, if you say,
Erika è una studentessa buona.
Erica is a good student, here, buona means she's kind. Its form may also change depending on the position. For example,
Buono.
becomes
Buon.
when placed before a masculine singular noun, starting with a vowel or a consonant, followed by an L, R, or a vowel. For example,
Il medico mi ha prescritto un buon antibiotico.
the doctor prescribed me with a good antibiotic.
Oggi sono proprio di buon umore.
Today I'm in a really good mood. Then we have
Buono.
which becomes
Buon.
with an apostrophe when placed before a feminine singular noun beginning with a vowel. For example,
Mi sveglio sempre di buon'ora.
I always wake up early.
Se ti sentisse la buona anima di tuo padre.
If only your blessed father could hear you. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, and you'll find a link to that in the description box below this video. Okay, let's take a look at some Italian sayings with buono. Now, in Italian, the adjective buono appears in many expressions to convey good wishes for various occasions. Simply combine
buon,
for masculine words or
buona.
for feminine words with the event or time you're referring to, and you have the perfect wish. For example, to wish someone to have fun in Italian, you can say
Buon divertimento.
Take a look at this list of common expressions. For celebrations, you can say
Buon anno.
Happy New Year,
Buon anniversario.
Happy Anniversary,
Buon compleanno.
Happy Birthday,
Buon onomastico.
Happy Name Day,
Buone feste.
Happy Holidays,
Buon Natale. Pasqua.
Merry Christmas, Happy Easter,
Buona festa della mamma. Del papà.
Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day. For times of the day, you can say
Buona giornata.
Have a great day,
Buongiorno.
Good morning,
Buon pomeriggio.
Good afternoon,
Buonasera.
Good evening,
Buona serata.
have a great evening,
Buonanotte.
good night. Other popular expressions include
Buon tutto.
best of everything,
Buona domenica.
happy Sunday,
Buon fine settimana.
have a great weekend,
Buon inizio settimana.
have a good start to your week,
Buon viaggio.
have a safe trip,
Buon volo.
have a good flight,
Buone vacanze.
happy holidays,
Buon vento.
fair winds. Now this is used to wish sailors good sailing conditions.
Buon lavoro.
Have a nice or a good day at work. Good luck with your work.
Buon riposo.
Sleep well.
Buon appetito.
Enjoy your food.
Buona visione.
Enjoy the show.
Buona lettura.
Enjoy your reading.
Buona lezione.
Have a good lesson.
Buona passeggiata.
Have a nice walk.
Buona permanenza.
Enjoy your stay.
Buon proseguimento.
Enjoy the rest of. Now, to learn all 4 ways Italians say have fun, make sure you watch my video lesson right here. Okay, the next way to say good in Italian is with.
Buono.
Now, buono can also be used as a noun when good is intended with the meaning of goodness. For example,
Cerchiamo di salvare il buono che c'è stato tra noi.
let's try to preserve the goodness that existed between us. Additionally, buono as a noun can refer to a voucher or a financial bond in Italian. Take a look at these examples.
Ultimamente i buoni del tesoro offrono rendimenti interessanti.
Lately, treasury bonds offer attractive yields.
Tra i benefit aziendali ci sono anche i buoni pasto.
Company benefits also include meal vouchers. The next way to say good in Italian is.
Bene.
Now, in Italian, when good is used in the sense of well, as in how something is done, the correct word to use is bene. Bene is an adverb and usually follows the verb it refers to. It is used to describe how an action is performed. For example,
Andrea suona davvero bene il pianoforte.
Andrea plays the piano very well.
Qui cucinano bene la carne.
They cook meat very well here. To talk about things that have a positive impact. For example,
Ridere fa bene allo spirito.
laughing is good for the soul.
La luce fa bene a quelle piante.
Light is good for those plants. To talk about well-being, often when responding to greetings. For example,
Ciao ragazzi, come va? Tutto bene, grazie.
hi guys, how's it going? All good, thanks.
Come stanno le tue ragazze? Molto bene, grazie.
How are your girls? Very well, thank you. Now, to learn the 10 most common ways Italians say hello, make sure you watch this video lesson right here. Okay, the next way to say good in Italian is with
Bene.
BENE also functions as a noun when good indicates something that is in someone's best interest or contributes to common well-being. For example,
Devi continuare a studiare. È per il tuo bene.
you must keep studying. It's for your own good.
Il bene di questa comunità è ciò che mi sta più a cuore.
The good of this community is what I care about most. Additionally, when good is used in the plural to refer to physical items or commodities, then bene becomes beni. Take a look at these examples.
È stata introdotta una nuova tassa sui beni di lusso.
A new tax has been introduced on luxury goods.
Stiamo raccogliendo beni di prima necessità per i bisognosi.
We are collecting essential goods for those in need. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description box below this video. Okay, the next word to say good in Italian is with
Bravo.
Now, when good is used to describe someone's skill or ability, the appropriate word in Italian is
Bravo.
for men or
Brava.
for women. Bravo is an adjective, so its ending changes depending on the gender and number of the noun it describes. We can use it to talk about someone's competence in a particular area. It's typically followed by the prepositions
In,
in,
con,
with,
a.
at. Now, to learn how to use Italian prepositions, make sure you watch my video lesson right here. In the meantime, take a look at these examples.
Serena è brava in latino.
Serena is good in Latin.
Andrea è molto bravo a fare il pane.
Andrea is very good at making bread. To describe someone's good nature, for example,
Tua figlia Angelica è proprio una brava ragazza.
your daughter Angelica is a really good girl.
Sono brave persone, non farebbero male a una mosca.
They are good people. They wouldn't harm a fly. Now, if you're confused about when to use bravo, buono, bene, and bello, make sure you watch this video lesson right here. Now, to congratulate someone for their successes or accomplishments, you should say,
Bravi, avete vinto!
congratulations, you won!
Bravo Enzo, hai passato anche questo esame.
Well done, Enzo. You passed this exam. To learn all 8 ways Italians say congratulations, watch this video lesson right here. Okay, the next word to say good in Italian is
Sano.
Now, the Italian adjective sano means healthy, and it's an ideal choice when talking about something being good in the sense of physical health or proper functioning. For instance, you can use sano when referring to a body part that is healthy, or in a broader sense, to describe anything that works well because it is in good condition. Take a look at these examples.
Riesco a leggere con l'occhio sano.
I managed to read with my good eye.
Gli impianti sono sani. Non capisco da dove viene la perdita.
The systems are in good condition. I don't understand where the leak is coming from. The next way to say good in Italian is with
Competente. Capace.
Now, when discussing how good a professional is, the Italian words,
Competente.
literally competent and
Capace.
meaning capable, are frequently used to mean good. Both terms emphasize a person's ability to perform their job well, often exceeding expectations. Take a look at these examples.
Luigi è un meccanico molto competente e attento al più piccolo dettaglio.
Luigi is a very good mechanic who pays attention to the smallest details.
Ho finalmente trovato un medico capace e umano.
I finally found a good and compassionate doctor. Now, to continue your learning and to help you practice everything you've learned here today, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, then you'll love Intrepid Italian, my series of online self-paced video courses that break down everything you need to know about Italian using my unique 80-20 method. More details in the description below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't miss my lesson on how to cheat your way to fluency using modal verbs. It is such a game changer. Just click on the link right here. Plus, if you want to master Italian word order and sentence structure, make sure you watch this video lesson right here. In the meantime, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you get an alert when I post more video lessons like this one. Until next time, un abbraccio, ciao!